interview. So, unsay man ni sir?
Thanks for your support.
You're in section.
Yes, I did.
So I have two questions for you, sir. First is, what are the three things we must consider before posting online?
I think before posting online, we should consider how the other people feels. Like, are they going to be upset, happy, or sad? We should also consider our privacy. Like, don't post too much personal information online. And lastly, we should consider thinking before posting. Like, our content in our post can be appropriate or inappropriate.
Okay, very nice. Next is, how to communicate properly on social media.
I think properly communicating in social media should have respect, should respect each other. Also, we should be clear to what we say so we won't get misunderstood by the others. And also, we should apply etiquette online.
Thank you, sir. Cut.
Okay, sige. Wait.
Pwede mo sabalon sa mga pangalan.
Ako si Juan Kurt Devon Q. Sabal. Eskwela Ginani sa OCC, first year in Bachelor of Secondary Education.
Pwede mo sa section.
Base ed 1B po.
Anang nakoy duha ka pangutana sa imo sir. Nara sa imo pagka-Bisaya. First is, what are the three things that we must consider before posting online?
So, for me, there are three things that I consider before I post online. So, the first one is, before ko mag-post, ang akong una-una sa daan, maka-offense ba na sa laing tao, considering to their ethnicity, ilang tradition or culture, or especially sa ilang religion. And the second one is kaning some kaning offensive words that maybe kanang samang uban nga dili itong lahi mag-perspective sa uban and kaning opinions and their point of view. So before posting it, so I'll consider that kaning ang mga pulong ug mga words nga akong i-post sa online nga dili sila ma-offense. And kanitong, and the last thing is kaning for my privacy na example mag-post ko kaning mga kaning butang sa akong about sa akong life nga kaning dili pod ingon bitaw nga ma-expose bitaw ang akong identity bitaw kay basin pwede po na magamit sa hacking or unsa ba nga mga scamming nga ilang gamiton akong identity.
So, ikaduha din sir is how to communicate properly in social media.
So as what I said nga kaning before ka magstorya sa mga tao, you should consider their background, ethnicity, their culture and religion. So to effectively communicate with others, imo sa silang kaytong kibali ikaw may nasayod nga unsay ilang background, dapat ikaw mag-adjust sila kung unsay musulti nga dili in a way nga kanitong kaytong open-minded nga mga kanitong mga kaning words bitaw inana nga dili pud sila ma-offense. Kaning the other thing is kaning dili pud maka-insulto bitaw sila sa imong mga pinulungan or naiuban nga kaytong ilang ubang mga istorya nga binuang but still sa uban maka-misunderstood sila nga dili na itong sensitive ang uban bitaw dili sila ingon nga itong mas kaning level si mo og humor. So mas maayo kung unsay ang ilang batasan nila sa personal and online mo po imong i-kuan pud sila kaning ibali reciprocation bitaw sa ilang batasan. So para
Okay. Name Shayla Percy.
One,
First year is PhD.
are the three things that we must consider before posting online.
For yourself, like, actually doesn't also consider posting like sa imong audience, i-propose na nimo sa among topic niya or sa iyang result, if harm baka kada people, and also if relevant ba yung i-post, if needed ba siyang i-post or if pabilit na siya sa iyong
How to communicate properly in social media.
In how to communicate properly in social media, siguro know your words before posting or before communicating. Dapat careful ka sa information ng person. And also, know your audience. If ka na pa yung audience, same ba? Level of understanding sa inyo ka. Para if you really kung gusto sila maklase, you will know kung saan yung pag-adjust sa inyo, communicate sa inyo. So, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon.
Pwede ba ka may yes, sure. Siya pang tingog yung gagawin.
Pangalan ng sir.
Okay, so,
I'm Claro G. Cadelinia from BSBA 1BOS. What are the three things that you must consider before posting online?
Okay, it's not three things, but this is the main objective before I post or share online, which is the one is the sensitivity of the post itself. So, dapat ano ka ng aware ka kung saan mo i-post na i-share within your media, social media. And then, second is the information, content within that post or sa imong post. Kay lain sa kayo kung nakaibutang nga mga specific information which is pwede naman unta nga kamo lang duha privately ang mga topic. Yes, that, I think that's it.
How to communicate properly in social media?
Okay, the best way as for me to communicate online or any other type of communication is being a professional way. It means nga kanang bitaw, or should I speak English or should I okay lang Bisaya. Alright, so speak being professional way because guys naman times nga usually ang words or phrases nga itong ginagamit is inappropriate regarding to the topics that you're discussing with the other person. I think that's it for your last question. So is there any? Alright, thank you. Thank you as well.
thank you.
For me, is we consider that it talks type. Second is post. Then it says really need to is about post. And to be considered na we should think before we
Second is
hindi masunod eh. If communicate ka sa mga teachers is formal message or printing na if verbal na lang sa kanila communication.
I'm Gandario Enibalan from International Merchant
What are the three things that you must consider before posting online?
For me, the concept of man is first, what you are going to post, and second is you have to be because you can go to the thing, if you don't know, you post negative things. The other day, number one is but number three, before you must bankable enough for good that you can
So the second method is how to communicate properly in social media.
communicate properly in social media, advertise to people, yes, people, not as an extent, but also not as a student, like me as a student, as a student, not to be responsible enough. Simple, responsible lang ka kung post ka on social media because you don't know that there's a lot of people na nag-sponsor mo, nagtanaw rin sila sa inyo.
Thank you, sir.
Parang na ako ito, napapamutanan sa inyo. Pagkakita na sa inyo, kasi mo nakita. So, first, napamutanan is, what are the three things that we must consider before posting game online?
As a person, I value mo siya. So, first of all, for example, nakilakaw, siya ka namin post biglang so, as a phone or as a count, hindi po siya gamitin na kanang one sa mga, for example, yung mga bad na tao na kananay, lalo ka mga motives na pwede siya kanang may use sa kanang lady tao, kanang place pa sa kanong. So, dapat, hindi mo siya ma-private yun. Kanang of course kanang karon sa social media naman pag-usuan kanang misinformation like kanang hindi siya kanang just spread na kanang news na sa dapat kanang aware ka sa news na hindi siya kanang lain nga perception sa mga tao dapat di ka nang malita ka share kanang kabalita kanang makadaot sa kanang mga example sa mga community sa social media. So, dapat ibalid yung mga facts. Then, next is na ka ng impact sa kanyang kuhan sa inyong post. Dapat ka ng, kung mag-post ka, dapat dili ka ng negative bitaw. Like, example, na kayo problema, dapat dili na, para sa kuha lang na, dili dapat ma-share sa kanang social media. Kahit kung ka ng personal na maganda. So, dapat ang kanang, kung nakal ka ng kuhan, is kanang, malita ka tao ng guest mo, like, instead of
How to communicate properly in social media?
First, nila is na gender sensitive. Pag at least tao, introduce ka ng sir, ma'am, para sa ano na ito na akin na pagkatuloyan sa yung gender, pagdili natin silang mag-isip. Then, other one is na ma-invest sa terms of guys na consistent kapag nakatita karon most likely ba sa tuwa kay mag-comment pagkakas ikaw wala ka kabalo sa o wala ka kabalo sa amin na pagkakamakan na siyang issue wala natin i-evaluate saka siya and the last one is that kinibit ka share ka o mag-asiri ka ng mga content tapos ato nga content is most likely maka-trigger sa urban bitaw. So, we need to keep nga i-evaluate yung mga content para makapag-communicate with that peacefully. Peaceful sa tuwa mga friends sa social media.
Lecture June dyan na SK4A1.
What are the three things that we must consider before posting online?
For me, three things dito sa laran ng post about information mo, kung i-post is maka-inform ba sa tanan. Second is, kung hindi ba siya maka-harsh, kung makadawag sa uban. And lastly mo is before kita mag-post na what I think pinagin mo mag-like, habang mo na siya or hindi ba, kasama na siya effective mag-tuwa. For me, para properly dito gawin is dapat ang imong buhat educational purpose nga lang katabang gid siya like positive bitaw gid feedback like na positive bitaw nga lang dapat tapos sa mga post na lang.
What are the three things that we must consider before posting?
Three things na pag-consider na i-post online. Dapat mag-post ka content in a sense, content na makaging ka knowledge, post content na ma-aware ka about surroundings.
How to communicate properly with social media?
Tama yung uban is, so, kami na nagkuhan na, for example, kung mag-communicate sila, dito mo nakutana sila, kailangan po, for example, para na yung business person, para kuhan yung nakutana.
Kasi kala mo ako, basta maybe just more to bonding from yes and 3. So my first question now is, what are the 3 things that we must consider before posting online?
Before posting online, you must consider fact-checking. You should, at least hindi siyang i-fact check with other information ngayon yung post online is accurate and truthfulness.
The next question is, how to communicate properly in social media?
So when communicating in social media, you should consider itong other opinions sa usap-usapan. Social media lagi makita, hindi ka makita, there are your friends all over the world. So, ano mo ka na pag-communicate, kung ano siya ka na, pamasag nila ka na, hindi ka masakit sa kaban, para hindi ka masakit sa ilang mga
Pwede ka magpanas sa pangalan ko na I am Ruby J. from Universidad
So, mga questions ay ang first is, what are the 3 things that we must consider before posting online?
The 3 things that we must consider before posting online is the purpose, why did you share the information, the validity, the feelings, or kung sa validifying information. Diba sometimes when we share, when we post online is our feelings, we must consider that kanang valid pa siya or kung saan makita sa topic na siya post. And also, we have to make sure the information is factual. Like, we should not spread fake news on social media.
Second is, how to communicate properly in social media.
For me, we should communicate properly in social media. We should consider what others people may feel when we post online. Okay, for example, dapat we should post information na kanang hindi makaswag pa spread of kanang masabi ka ng tao. We should communicate social media to make people happy. So,
Here are the summary of our interview. First is precautionary measures. Before posting online, it is essential to consider 3 key factors: the content's sensitivity, potential consequences, and intended audience. Sensitivity refers to the potential impact of the content on others, while considering consequences involves understanding how one's post may be perceived or misinterpreted. Determining the appropriate audience ensures that the message reaches those who are most relevant to it. Second, communication strategies. To communicate properly in social media, one must adhere to several guidelines. First, it is crucial to maintain a respectful and considerate tone when engaging with others online. Second, clarity in messaging is vital. Ensure that your posts are easily understood by your audience. Additionally, being mindful of one's digital footprint and understand social media algorithms can help in effectively communicating on those platforms. So, in summary, before posting online, individuals should carefully assess their content's sensitivity and potential consequences while considering their intended audience. In social media communication, maintaining a respectful tone and ensuring clarity in messaging are essential for effective interaction with others online. Recommendations. First, always assess the sensitivity of your content before posting online, considering how it may impact others and potential misinterpretations. Second, reflect on the potential consequences of your post and ensure that it aligns with your intentions. Third, determine your intended audience and tailor your message to reach those who are most relevant to it. For effective communication in social media, We should maintain a respectful and considerate tone when engaging with others online. Ensure clarity in messaging to ensure your posts are easily understood by your audience. Be mindful of your digital footprint and understand social media algorithm to enhance communication effectiveness. By following these recommendations, you can minimize risk and maximize the positive impact of your online presence while fostering healthy and meaningful connections with others in social media platforms. Here's our insight. The interview emphasizes the importance of careful consideration before posting online to avoid unintended consequences. It highlights the need for sensitivity towards others' feelings and potential misinterpretations of content. Determining the appropriate audience ensures that the messages reach those who are most relevant to them. Effective communication in social media requires maintaining a respectful tone and ensuring clarity in messaging. Being mindful of one's digital footprint and understanding social media algorithm can enhance communication effectiveness on these platforms.